Batteries convert chemical energy into electrical energy, which maintains a potential difference. Each battery has two terminals, which are conductors. Here's the positive terminal at the top, and at the other end you have the negative terminal. The terminals are used to connect an external circuit, allowing the movement of charge. The chemical reaction within the battery acts like another analogy here, an escalator. It carries charge up to a higher voltage, just like an escalator will carry a person to a higher height. This is a fantastic simulation from the University of Colorado website, PHET, on battery voltage. I suggest you click on that and try the simulation. Here's another great video, a circuit simulator from the University of Colorado. So click here. However, before you do, let's go over some basic rules. When you build a circuit, it cannot have gaps or breaks. The light bulb that you'll be using has to be between the wire and the terminal. A voltage difference is required to make the bulb light, and the bulb still lights regardless of which side of the battery you place it on. So as you watch the video, be ready to answer the following questions in your groups. What is going on in the circuit? What is the role of the battery? How are the circuits that you create similar? How are they different? The battery pushes current through the circuit. A battery acts like a pump, again the water analogy, pushing charge through the circuit. It is the circuit's energy source. Charges do not experience an electrical force unless there is a difference in electric potential or voltage. Therefore, batteries have a potential difference between their terminals. The positive terminal is at a higher voltage than the negative terminal. Again, here's a great thing to link on. This time it's not a simulation, it's a good video on current from Veritasium. And before we leave, how does the voltage affect the current? I'll give you a second. Okay, let's pull the shade down. What we find, if the circuit doesn't change, if the resistors are still there, if the battery is the same, if we increase the voltage on the battery, put more batteries on, the greater the current.